the storyboard generator I have been working on is now complete, and today we will take a quick look at what it can do. You simply provide a few lines of a story, and it generates scenes in sequence with multiple shot angles. In this short prompt, I input a woman running through the jungle from a dinosaur. She finds a hut, runs inside, and sees a man drinking whiskey. He shoots the dinosaur and saves her, and they later sit together by the fireplace. Although I imagined an indoor fireplace, the scene excludes the man and shows her sitting alone. It is far from perfect, but at least the workflow is working as intended. Here, I input a short storyline into the prompt, and the agent expands it into scene beats and a short sequence. It then generates images, audio, and short narration prompts. The workflow currently supports a single character input using the Klein model, but in a future update, I plan to replace it with Qwen image edit for better multi-character support and more consistent camera angles. Here is another very short prompt, a woman in a flower field, designed for a music video style sequence. There is not much happening, just different camera shots for a repeatable music video flow. Well, that is a quick demo of the workflow. This is the first draft, version 1. If you find it interesting, I will continue working on it and updating the workflow, possibly adding video support with lip sync. That is all for today. The link will be in the description.